A total of 26 bench towels. Pamimigay natin to. 26 din na paper So nandito nga tayo ngayon sa bench kasi naghanap tayo ng towels. Nabalitaan ko na mayroong buy one take one na towels here. 26 towels, naka buy 2 for 999. Pamimigay natin to. So pwede naman makahingi ng
Opo, paper bag.
paper bag. 26 din na paper bag. So tayo pipila na tayo magbabayad. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Individual paper bag. Sa isang muna. Kasya sa dyan. Okay, sige. Dapat total of 26. 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26. Sakto. 26 din na paper card. 8, 10, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Sure na kasya yun, miss? Yung,
Opo,
okay.
sure.
Thank you.
Isa, maluwag pa yun, sir.
Ayan, good. Okay. 26 bags. 3 bags. Oh. Basta tayo ng besh. Let's go.